My medical plan does not require referrals, so why is the doctor requiring one? This has to do with office policy versus insurance policy. Insurance rules determine what is required for coverage. For example, they determine if referrals are needed, if prior authorizations are needed, and if providers are in-network. But doctors' offices can have their own policies. An office may require a referral even if your insurance does not. They do this to review your medical history, to ensure you're seeing the right specialist, to coordinate care with your primary doctor, and to manage appointment demands. And the opposite can happen too. An office is willing to see you, but insurance requires a referral. Insurance rules determine coverage. Office rules determine how that office operates. Follow Insurance Help Hub for insurance explanations that make sense.